Hello guys, welcome to our channel Smart Everyday. In this video you will be learning how to install Python 3 in Termux. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And now let's start our video. And first we need to type the command called package install python 3. Already Python 3 is installed in my mobile, so I got that. And after that we need to type Python 3. And now we have entered into the Python console. It is simply not called as a console, Python console. So let's make a try to print the two numbers. Let's say 2 plus 3. So I got the output. And again we'll try to print my name, print of Sidhu. So again I got the output. Like this we can perform many operations in this. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share.